What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I like this tone. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I sit inside.
So today's video is going to be a tutorial of this look right here. But more importantly, what inspired me is I have so much makeup that I do not use. You know, it's always about what's new and, you know, trying that, and I have forgotten about a lot of my makeup. So I wanted to do kind of like a throwback palette look. So today's look was put together using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I can't remember the last time I have used this. Well, I used it today, but I'm saying before now. And it was a palette I love and I was obsessed with when it came out. So I wanted to bring it back. And if you have any other palettes that you would like me to bring back and do a tutorial with, please let me know in the comments. So I just wanted to do kind of like a daytime glam. I did give you two lip options. The first one was just a nude gloss. And then I wanted to do the bold option as well, which is Prom Night by Jeffree Star. So we will get into the tutorial. And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get more wonderful tutorials like this. Alright, so let's get right into it. Bye! Hey guys! So yeah, I have like this huge welt on my lip from a hair tie. Long story. First we are going to moisturize, and I just got this Lumi moisturizer by L'Oreal, kind of like an illuminating moisturizer that I wanted to try. And it is very similar to MAC strobe cream, which is what I was hoping for. So I have been really loving this moisturizer. I wasn't expecting much, but it is very illuminating. So now we're gonna prime our eyes using the Urban Decay Original Primer Potion. I'm just gonna put it on with my finger first, and then I will take a brush and blend that out a little bit more. And then after I blend it out with the brush, I'm going to set it with a powder. I'm using the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and that is an e.l.f. highlighting brush. You know, use what works. So we're getting into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, which I adore this palette. We're going to be taking a Luxie blending brush and going in with Georgia, which is that pale kind of peach neutral color that I am going to use as a transition shade. So I'm just going to go from inner corner to outer corner, concentrating it mostly in the outer corner. I'm not going to go all the way in, but I do want it to be a little bit smoky. I'm trying to not go like full glam, so we'll see. Now I'm going to be taking that like pink orange coral, it's called Just Peachy, with a M441. And I'm going to be putting that right on top where we put Georgia. So I'll just kind of give it a little peek, like a little peekaboo of the pink behind the look. And we'll go on the other side. I love this blending brush. It's like perfect. It's more tapered than the first one. So now we're going to be going in with that neutral brown. And I'm going to be taking a M443, which is similar to the Sigma E25, and just patting that on the outer third of my eye. That color is called Puree. And then I'm going to slowly drag it into the crease. Then I go back in with the M441 and just blend it out. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the other side, pat it, then slowly drag, then blend to perfection. So this is a pencil brush. It's E41, and I'm going to be going in with Summer Yum, which is probably like my favorite color in the entire palette. And I'm just going to be putting that in the like outer third and then blending it with the 443 just to give it like a more defined look on the outer corner of your eyes, kind of deepen that up. And I just love this color so much. And I love this palette too. I forgot how much I loved it. So now I'm going to be taking this NYX Milk Eye Pencil and putting that on the inner 2/3 of our lid. I really want to make the shimmer color that I'm going to put on top of that pop. So this is a great way to do that. So now I'm going to be taking this Morphe E10 flat definer brush and going in with Luscious, which is like a beautiful like champagne with like a tiny bit of gold. It's just gorgeous. It's like the perfect lid shade. And I'm just going to be going over where I put that white, and I'm going to be patting it because of that sticky base. You don't want to swipe. Now I'm going to be going in with Bellini, which is kind of like a more pinky champagne, and I'm just going to be putting that right in between Luscious and then the brown on the outer corner. I just really like when it's kind of like a gradient and it's not just bam, really bright and then dark. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing on the other side and then flipping the brush over and using the Bellini. So now I'm going to be spraying my brush with the setting spray of Fix Plus and going back in with that Luscious color to just brighten it up some more and give it more of a metallic look. Give it that wow factor. You know how we do. I don't think I could do an eye look without Fix Plus, like honestly. It's bad. So now I'm going to be taking that same liner brush and just going back in with Summer Yum, and then we're just going to blend it out. Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm using Charmed I'm Sure, which is a darker brown, and then I'm going to be blending that out with the M443, and then going in on the other side and doing the exact same thing. I really like this look, and I love the combination of all those browns on the outer corner. So now I'm going to take the original blending brush, and I actually went in with Georgia and just to kind of like soften the edges and give it a real blown out look. So I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D liner. Oh, I already did it. I was out of focus, and I'm probably going to be out of focus putting this on, so I do apologize. But any pink liner, and now I'm going to be taking that Luxie brush and going in with Summer Yum Yum underneath the lower lash line. And I love how like the brown contrasts with the pink, and I just love the like fun pop of color in the lower lash line. It's not too extreme, but it is a way to bring color into, you know, an otherwise neutral eye look. And then once I am done putting that under, I'm going to take a brush and we will blend that out. Now I'm curling my lashes, and then I will be going in with some mascara. I'm going to be using the IT Superhero Mascara, and I'm just putting a couple coats of that on. You all know how to put mascara on, I'm sure. And if you don't, well, just keep practicing, girl. Sometimes I don't even think I can put mascara on. I'm going to be going in with the Tatcha the Pearl Under Eye Brightener, and then taking a mini beauty blender and blending that out. I found that that is the key to this product. You just have to blend it out, and it does such an amazing job. Like, you can see the difference, like how much brighter my under eye look. So I did so all right, we're gonna highlight the brow bone with that light like white color, and any brush you really want to use will work. And now I'm taking Nectar with the E36 and putting that in the inner corner of my eyes. I also don't think I can live without an inner eye highlight. I'm taking the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer with a Milani bronzer brush and putting that on my cheeks. I really do like this brush, but I like it more for around my hairline, not on the cheeks, because if you can kind of see on my cheeks, it put it down very heavily, and I want kind of more of an airbrush look on my cheeks, but it does do a really good job for around the hairline. And then you just take a fluffier brush like that one and blend it out, so you don't look like you haven't put on your face. Now I'm going to be taking this MAC blush in Dainty and just putting that on my cheeks. I love this color and that name. It's such an appropriate name for this blush. It's like a pink dainty blush. Now I'm going to be taking this white and this peach from a BH Cosmetics palette, and I am going to be using that to highlight. And I love doing like my little corner trick, and then I will be putting some on my Cupid's bow. Oh, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit more blush from this Urban Decay and Gwen Stefani blush palette. I just wanted a little bit more pink, and I think that did the job, what I was looking for. So now I'm gonna be taking the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Powder with a large fluffy brush, and I'm going to be buffing. So I'm just going to go over my bronzer, the blush, and it just smooths everything together, plus it gives your face the most beautiful glow. I am obsessed with this technique, obsessed. So okay, so you can do a nude lip like this Maybelline Vivid Hot Liqueur gloss in Too Cute, which is what I have on. Oh, let me show you the look. Finished. The lashes I use are the Allure and Nicole Guerrero in 143. Very like casual, like daytime glam. This is at least my version of daytime glam, even though it would be like most people's nighttime, but I think it's pretty. Or you could also do a bold lip, since this is a pretty neutral eye. This is a more bold lip. This is Prom Night by Jeffree Star. Boy, look, cold world, this is your worst bit. I'm burning you niggas and I'm only your first bit. I'm serving you niggas, this is only the first bit. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.